Come to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is I'm calling it a butterfly journal because there's a lot of butterflies in it. It measures 8 1/4 by 5 inches, so it's a little bit bigger than a traveller's notebook. So I've done some layering on the front here, got some digital paper. I think a lot of it's from ARTYmaze, in fact most of it is from ARTYmaze, and we've got some music paper. This image is a freebie from ARTYmaze on her Facebook page, and it was actually a tag, but I just cut the taggy bit off at the top. Got the word journal here. That is the back. It's designer cardstock sewn onto some white cardstock, so it's a nice thick cover. This will be listed in my shop. So the inside cover is just white, and sorry about the ink fingers, but that's what happens when you're using a lot of ink. And the hands have been washed so many times. I really did a lot of ink in today. I've used the main pages are from ARTYmaze, and it's the Collage 2 kit that she has. You can find that on her Etsy store, and that will be linked below. So it's not a traveller's notebooks. It's not even a traveller's notebooks. I'm so used to saying that because most of my journals are traveller's notebook size. But the kit is actually for a full-size journal, but I've just cut it down to make this journal. So I've done a pocket here, done some layering. We've got a cluster here. We have a tag, which is again a freebie from ARTYmaze, and we just have one of these little flip outs with the corner punching, and that goes in there. Some edge punching, a paper bag, some digital papers from the old design shop, and I've done some stenciling on all the papers. Crocheted trim. Here I've just done a pocket and again done some layering there. Used some double hearts. And the words are something I've just typed up myself. Some ephemera here from Tsunami Rose, and so is this. And 2 tags, again from ARTYmaze. They're all freebies. This is an envelope, and I've just made a little pocket here, and because the other side of it is a window envelope. So we've just got some layering here, and butterfly, and some cheesecloth, and the word treasure. Again, just done the same here, so you can pop something inside there. We have some music paper. There's lots of journal space in this. Again, from the collage kit. Right here is it's a double pocket, so we've got the pocket on the side, and we just have a vintage letter here, which is a printable from the old design shop, so that goes in there. This backing paper is from, background paper I should say, is from the Fern and Mushroom collection that ARTYmaze has just brought out. So I've made a layered tag here, that pops in there, and we've got the corner tuck here and the double heart, and another tag here from ARTYmaze. Paper bag, some more vintage digital paper, some squared paper, centre of the signature, and like I said, lots of journal space. The other side of the paper bag. Here we have another double pocket, and inside there is another vintage letter. It's from the old design shop. And a corner pocket there, and then again just some layering, some cheesecloth there with these ornate shapes. Another layered tag, and a tag from ARTYmaze, a freebie. The other side of the envelope, you can tuck things inside there, and then that's the window. Some layering here as well, another layered pocket. Some digital ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and 2 tags, oops, from ARTYmaze. I'll have to just glue that little bit down, set that out so I remember, because all the tags have just been backed onto cardstock. Another paper bag there, and here we have another pocket with a tag from ARTYmaze. And a little trifold again. So, oh, fingers and thumbs today. Another cluster there, and that is the back. So that's the journal. Lots going on, lots of journal space. Like I said, I'll link ARTYmaze below, and this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I'm just going to glue that little corner down and then pop that back in there. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.